Hi guys, Marao here, aka the Lazy Makoti, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the most delicious, most decadent hot cross bun pudding. Let's get straight into it. I'm going to cut all 6 of my hot cross buns in half. So there we go. And what we're going to do is to now lightly spread some butter onto each of the buns. And now for the custard. Very easy to make. All you need is some milk and then some good quality coffee. Coffee and chocolate go really well together. The coffee helps to intensify that flavor of the chocolate, so definitely include the coffee. And then some fresh cream. And then I'm gonna have this on a very low simmer. I really don't want this to burn. I don't want it to boil either. So as soon as you start seeing, those little bubbles at the edges of the saucepan, we're good to go. So I'm just gonna give this a stir. So in here, you'll need a big bowl for our 3 eggs. Just crack them open in there. To that, we will add some sugar and some cocoa powder. And then I'm using some vanilla paste. So we just need a little of that. And then I'm just gonna whisk this by hand. I'm already loving this incredible chocolate flavor that's in the kitchen now. And it's about to get even more chocolatey. My bunny ears. And then we're gonna do a thing called tempering. So what we want is to join this together, the cream as well as the egg mixture without scrambling our eggs. So like I said, we're gonna go very, very, very slow. I wanna stress, this is where most people mess it up, very, very slow. We're gonna slowly pour this cream into our eggs, very slowly, whisking our lives away. So we're just slowly raising the temperature of our eggs before we can combine everything together, because nobody wants a scrambled egg pudding. Yay! And no scrambled eggs. Perfect. And now this is gonna go over our hot cross buns. You do want your buns to absorb that chocolatey goodness before they go into our oven. Guess what's ready? Our pudding. Still nice and hot. So I love when the Easter eggs sort of melt into the pudding. It looks so pretty. And maybe we can even use our little Easter bunny. There we go. There is our pudding. Still quite hot. And then we're gonna serve with some vanilla ice cream. You can actually also serve with some cream. And then now we taste. I really love that cold vanilla ice cream and the warm, beautiful chocolatey pudding together. It's just perfect. And there we have it, my delicious hot cross bun pudding done. It tastes amazing and I really hope you try it. So let me know how it goes. Happy cooking.